Hi there, Capricorns. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be your reading for October 15th to the 31st. And if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. First, I'll be looking at the current situation, and basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. Alright, so also while watching this, please remember this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. A quick tip for you, as to how would you understand if this is resonating. Alright, I look at the current energies. So if the current energies are resonating with you, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. Okay, so let's see what's going on with you, Capricorns. What's going on with you, Capricorns? What's going on with you, Capricorns? King of Pentacles, you are here. Six of Cups, the Death card, and Nine of Wands. Okay, I think you're trying to hold on to something too tightly. Either this is your partner or this is your savings, I don't know what, but that has to go. You're holding it too tightly. Either you're holding on to past memories very tightly, or you're just like, no, I don't want to give in, I don't want this, I don't want that. Somewhat around those lines is what I'm picking up. But the point is that you got to stop trying to control things. You're trying to control everything around you at this point is what I'm seeing. Don't do that. Either you're trying to control a particular outcome, or you want something in a certain way and you don't want to like settle down for anything lesser than that. Okay, so the idea is when death comes into the picture, when this card comes into picture, it basically indicates that if the more you try to hold it, the more difficult it is going to become for you, and this has to come to an end. The end has to come. All right, and because of that, it is becoming even more difficult because you're trying to hold it too tightly or something like that, right? This is a belief system, a relationship, money, or whatever. You're trying to just be a little too much of a control freak at this point. Okay, so if this resonated, let's see what you can expect in the coming 15 days here. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? What can you expect in the coming 15 days? Two of Pentacles, the Tower, the Magician, and the Four of Swords. This ending will come. You can keep juggling, you can keep trying to control the whole situation, but the universe is bringing that end and you will be fine. Maybe this reading today is for that only, that you need to know that even if this thing comes to an end, you will be fine. So don't worry so much. Don't try to control it, okay? The point is that there is a higher power always involved in something or the other. Like, you can do your bit, but there's always a higher power which is controlling things and which gives you or decides what you deserve and what you don't, okay? So here the universe is telling you that even if you try, and you'll heal, you'll be fine. You're just scared because it hasn't happened, or you feel that, you know, if it happens, it's going to be very difficult for me and all of that. But it isn't that. It's not that. It will just make you a better person. That's what I'm seeing here. Okay? Now let's see what is the advice for you here, Capricorns. Okay, if something you're asking for isn't happening now, it's because the timing isn't right. Don't feel frustrated or angry. I know what's best for you. Have faith and a door will open. That's probably what has come out here. Even if this thing comes to an end, there's something better for you. Trust me, and I'm telling this to you with my own personal experience. If something ends, or if something that you really want doesn't work out the way you're looking for it to, it is okay. It's happening for a reason, so that something better comes in your life. And this is logical. I mean, you might think that I'm trying to, pacify you and stuff. No, this is what it is. It happens for a reason. Okay, Capricorns? So that's what I have for you. I hope this reading helps you, and private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And I shall see you soon with more readings. Take care and bye-bye.